all packed up. The kids are excited. We're gonna go for a morning swim and then hit the road. This is our little private walkway to the beach. We're camping at Green Lake in Cariboo. We swam all
My
last
dad just is the best. My brother's rings thingy, the floaties, were already packed away, and he had to undo it because we begged him.
Yeah, it's okay. We were ready to go. Everything was packed. And the kids were like, crab walk. Keep going, go, go, go. And the kids wanted to go for a quick dip. Tiny crab walk. Come on, go, run, run.
Come on, let's touch the water.
And he's floating.
You should touch the water. It's like so warm.
And his floaties were packed away, so anyways, I don't pack a bunch, so it's okay. Anything for the kids, right? There's a cool green rock that we found yesterday. Somebody must have paid it. Alright, let's go change. No, it's can I check this green rock?
No.
Why?
Yeah, because I want to die for it.
Die for it? Okay, watch this. Look how calm the water is.
Yeah, it's like glass. Sometimes the water's so calm that
It looks like glass, yeah. Like yesterday. So don't think it's gonna be super, super warm. You ready to go swim?
Yeah.
Let's go change.
Come on, let's change.
Wifey, record the masterpiece.
I wonder why I said it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Green Lake in the Cariboo. Beautiful oasis spot. This concludes our little portion of this trip. We're going to be driving towards Whistler, Squamish, and then home. Aboard the Awesome Express. Okay, let's go. Just gonna check out and go see the rest of Whistler. Trusted Yellowbird and mwah, mwah. You gonna go run a lap?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, tell me when to go.
Ready, set, go.
I am running through the playground as fast as I can. Because I had to do this. It's gonna be hard. Gonna go. Let's go up here. Let's go. And then over here, we're in, by the way, we're in, not New York. I say New York, but it's not New York. Let's go.
It's just like
We're in New York. I don't know how to say it. Yeah.